everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to unbox the Curated Bead Box for June 2022, and the theme is bumblebees. So we'll start with our encouraging word, and it is start each day with positive thoughts. And I think it makes a huge difference in your day if you do. And I've got my coffee here, just like this little, I think this is hot chocolate. It's got a marshmallow floating in it, but got my coffee and ready to start this day. So I just got back from West Virginia visiting my parents, and it was a good trip. My dad had been in the hospital for 26 days, I believe, and I got to see him, and then they transported him the last day I was there. He went to skilled nursing to try to gain some strength so he can go home. So yeah, it was a good trip though. I saw my boys, and of course my mom and dad, and my little niece Lainey. Well, she's not so little anymore. And then my other niece and nephew, Lainey's brother and sister, and they're both getting ready to have babies. So we're so excited. We're going to have a little boy and a little girl at Christmas this year. So here it is, Curated Bead Box. This is one of my favorites. I think especially if you are a beginning beader, this is an awesome box for you. And if you are an advanced beader, this is an awesome box for you because it is a great stash builder. So yeah, this is a great one. So Curated Bead Box, it is $20 a month, shipped straight to your door. What a great price, right? I do have a coupon code. Let me pull it out. I'm a little unorganized today. I'm just trying to get back in the swing of it all. The code is Wendy35, and that will give you $35 or 35% off your first box, which would make your first box only $13. So you go to dollarbead.com to sign up and use that code. You'll get your first box for $13. Okay, so Curated Bead Box. They put the list of things right here on the front of this box, and I really like that. And then it also comes with a finding starter kit, which is awesome. I'll show it to you here in a minute. So let's go ahead and just get right into this. Here are the codes if you want to see them really quickly before I get into the box. If there's something that you love that I show, there's the corresponding code, and you can go to dollarbead.com and buy that. Okay. All right, so first of all, we're going to do 12 millimeter pale gold faceted glass bead on a 13-inch strand. These are awesome. Look how pretty. I love these faceted glass beads that they sell too. I just think they're really cool. They're kind of like rounded facets, but I love these. Always like to pick them out of other mixes that I get. These are gorgeous. 12 millimeter, and that's another thing I like about this box. They give you different sizes of beads. So normally I probably wouldn't buy a 12 millimeter, but it's good to get them because then it causes me to branch out a little bit and do things that I wouldn't normally do. So these will be really pretty on a necklace. 12 millimeter sea glass jade style glass bead on an 8-inch strand. I would say that's these, because they're the only thing in there I see that looks kind of like sea glass. Very pretty. These, let's see, yeah, 12 millimeter, and they're kind of the jade style. They're very pretty. Okay. Then we have 10 millimeter black and brown crackle seasoned glass bead on an 8-inch strand. That would be these. Ooh, these are cool. Sorry, just having trouble focusing. Look at those. These are really pretty. So you've got a couple 12 millimeters. Now they're putting in a 10 millimeter, which is really nice. Those are cool. I like those a lot. 10 millimeter vanilla gold glass pearl bead. Oh, these are pretty too. The color they're calling vanilla gold. Beautiful. 10 millimeter pearls. So nice to have. I mean, pearls, I love pearls. Look how pretty this all looks together too. It's a good mix. 8 millimeter khaki marble style glass bead. Let me find that. Khaki marble style glass bead. The only thing I really see that looks like a marble style is this, but it doesn't look khaki. It looks yellow, but I don't know, maybe. Okay. So I think it's this. Khaki marble style glass bead on a 16-inch strand, 8mm. There they are. They definitely look bumblebee-ish, for sure. The yellow and black. Okay. Then we've got 8mm charcoal rustic glass pearl. That's these right here. These are pretty. They look more brown to me. They're coming up a little bit more gray on the camera than they actually are in person. I would have called this chocolate probably over charcoal, but they're very pretty. And you get a ton of them, 8mm. It's a huge strand, 16-inch strand. And they have that rustic finish. See this kind of textured finish. So they're not smooth, they're rustic pearl. All right, then we have 8mm mellow yellow jade style glass bead. That's cute. Here they are. And they are very faux jade, very pretty. Kind of have the transparent milky color that jade does. And these are a 10.5-inch strand. So yeah, look at all these colors together. I mean, it definitely looks bumblebee. Cute. Then we have 8x4mm brown tube pressed glass bead. That's these. This is a cool thing to get in a box. They're just glass tubes. Very interesting. And again, they give you great amounts in this box. You get a lot of beads. Then we have 10mm gemstone bead. Now that's this, and I really wish they would put what type of gemstone these are. Not sure. I mean, I don't think this is zebra jasper. I don't know. You guys tell me if you know what type of gemstone this is. It looks very familiar. I'm sure I've seen it before. It's got some yellow in it there. Black, gray, browns. It's very pretty. I don't think it's zebra jasper, but it kind of reminds me of zebra jasper. But I don't know why they don't put on here what type of gemstone bead it is. Some of them they do, but this one they didn't. Okay. Then we have a 6mm beige gemstone bead. Again, 7 to 8-inch strand. What is it? When you have gemstone beads, you want to know what they are so you can, tell other people, or if you're selling your jewelry, you definitely want to know what kind of gemstone you're putting in there. So I have no idea what this is. If anybody knows, please comment in the comments below. And I will look. I haven't looked yet because I just opened this box like right now, but I will try to figure it out myself too. But those are pretty. I like them. They're really beautiful. Both of these are. I just wish I knew what they were. Okay, now these are 6mm black onyx gemstone beads, so thank you. I could have figured this one out on my own, but they did tell me. So there they are, black onyx gemstone beads. Beautiful, absolutely pretty. Then we have 12mm bronze Druzy style glass bead. That's these, and I really like these as well. They're Druzy style, so I'm not really seeing any of the faux Druzys. They're just kind of sparkly. They are really pretty. I've seen Druzy style that has more of a, more of the sparkle to it, but these are nice. They'll be great they go great with like some of this other stuff in here for sure. Interesting. Okay. And then we have 11O pale yellow opaque glass seed beads. So that's these. Okay, very pale yellow, pretty color. And then we get the findings pack. This findings pack is one of my favorite things to get every month. So they send tiger tail, or I guess it's bead stringing wire, not necessarily tiger tail, but bead stringing wire. Stretch cord, fishhook ear wires, head pins, crimp beads, jump rings. I love their jump rings. I say it every video. They're my favorite. Lobsters. And memory wire. So this is an awesome box for a beginner, because they're giving you most of everything you need to make a bunch of stuff. I mean, this is going to make a bunch of stuff. So yeah, I love Curated Bead Box. It is one of my absolute favorites. My only complaint, like I said, is I wish they would tell me what these are, what kind of gemstones they're putting in there, but I can look them up, or I'm sure some of you guys know just by looking at them. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you do know what those are. I'd really like to know. But what a great, I mean, $20, you're getting 3 gemstone strands, all these findings, which is really nice, and all these beads, and it is a ton of beads. So I think this is one of the best values out there of all of the subscription bead boxes. This is one of the best values. So yeah, if you guys are interested in subscribing, I'll have a link in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.